our today's topic is disorders of nervous system. Now, these disorders specifically, they are related with our nervous system. Means definitely they are related with our brain. Okay, they are also called as mental disorders. Now, these disorders, they are broadly classified into three parts. Number one, psychological disorders, Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's disease. So let us study one by one. Psychological disorders means these disorders, they are specifically related to our mental health. Okay. Now these are the different types. Let us see. Intellectual disability, autism spectrum disorder, bipolar disorder, depression, anxiety disorder, ADHD. Okay. The long form of ADHD is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, and last, stress related disorder. Now, out of this intellectual disability, if you take, or depression or anxiety or stress related disorders, specifically they are related with our mental illness. Means the person who is suffering from this disorder, he is not able to concentrate properly. Lack of concentration, lack of sleep. Sometimes the muscles, they get rigid. Okay, the mouth become dry. Excess of worrying, it is also not good. Heartbeat increases. Okay, so all these symptoms you have to remember. In case of autism spectrum disorder, the person who suffer from this disorder, he is having the problem in communicate with the people, surrounding people. His physical health is also not good. Emotional health is also not good. Okay. Bipolar disorder. Bi means two. The person's mood gets swings. For example, suppose at this moment that person is very happy. After some time, immediately you can say the mood gets swings. Means he may get angry also. Okay. It is one of the type of disorder. In case of ADHD, attention deficit syndrome, this particularly disorder you will get in children and it may continue, okay, till adulthood also. Particularly these children, they are not able to concentrate properly. They are not able to sit at one place. They are very talkative also. They forget the things. They cannot communicate properly. They loses many things. They forget many things. Okay. So these all are the psychological disorders. When you come to Parkinson's disease, it is specifically due to the damage of the nerve cell. We know that the nerves or the neurons, they are the functional unit of our brain. And if they get damaged, definitely the system gets collapsed. The symptoms in Parkinson's disease, the symptoms are tremor, means shaking of the hand, stiffness, it becomes very rigid also, and difficulty in the person who is having this disease, that person is not able to walk properly, can't balance also, and can't coordinate properly. The reason is degeneration of dopamine producing neuron in CNS, central nervous system. Now dopamine, it is one of the neurotransmitter, okay, which releases at the end of the axon and it communicate. But if, and it is responsible for all these activities, but if it is it degenerate slowly and slowly, it start degenerating, definitely that person will have this problem. Now come to Alzheimer's disease. Memory loss and confusion. These are the main symptoms of Alzheimer's disease. Symptoms: loss of cognitive functioning. Cognitive functioning means not able to properly think. Thinking process, remembering process, reasoning. Healthy people, we can think properly, we can give reason properly, but the person who is having this disease not able to think properly. The causes are loss of cholinergic and other neurons. Choline, acetylcholine, it is one of the neurotransmitter, correct, which communicate with the next neuron. So if these neurotransmitter, it is lost, definitely all these activities cannot be possible. Second reason, accumulation of amyloid protein. This protein, it gets deposited around the brain cell and the plaque is formed. Definitely it get disturbed in the communication between the nerve cell. Okay. Now these amyloid protein, basically we should not take in excess. This protein we may get from the white food like white bread, then white rice, then cake, pasta, all these junk foods. This junk food consists of this protein. So excess of consuming all the white food is not at all good for health.